Ghanaians, this is King Sama. Thank you very much for watching Peer Pressure series. Dan and Madam Fubisu was it better Dino and then when you know how to reach, just pick up your phone, download the 1xBet app, register with the Peer Pressure promotion code Vision 2020 and get 200% bonus. This is very exciting. Join us on the 1xBet platform today and your life will never be the same. 1xBet, your Bama Ghana. Stake some bets and some cash. Now be feeling
Vision Nation, baby.
Previously on Peer Pressure.
I don't want to talk plus you. Wait for me outside. I don't want to talk plus you. Are you the time you say make a go away?
Mr. Wait for me outside. I come. I will be down and where be this.
I'm not going anywhere.
Master.
Makonzi, so you cannot bring a woman to a restaurant. What's your owing my boyfriend?
And what's your problem? That's between me and your kind of to be the kind of kuntaino. You got me?
Baby, who is she? Will you shut up?
I want my share.
Fresh, you can go to hell.
Really?
Yes. And let me remind you, I know who you are. I trained you. I brought you into this clique.
At the end, I want to your crab one pair. More be my pressure. Him caught on strong man best friend. School girl CP needs to buy open now for same day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys be near boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More name break. A Saturday back here 240. Peer pressure. If the reals one can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became more good for the council. Trying to 7 flex I know the other. Sugar mama phone you date or no didn't come out what say yeah my pack. To be any fear free to ye be I do tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be I do tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And that's a befo, peer pressure befo. 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 Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, 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 peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure. Pressure, pressure. Be any fear free to ye be I do tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay. Be any fear free to ye be I do tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay. And that's a befo, peer pressure befo. And befo, peer pressure befo. And befo. Peer pressure, peer pressure,
yes, restaurant. But see, get money when you skin on human here. As no get money when you thief. Can't make it survive in the streets. Bro, see, bet. Can't money give me time.
Listen. Here's your restaurant. You're embarrassing me. People are around.
Yes, restaurant. I tell you yes, restaurant, right? But you forgot your own. You forgot that you own me. Don't let me shout here. Boy, so I do want to make your mind that you're not going to pay the money or what?
Saturday, I'll give you money.
Akonzi.
I said Saturday.
Saturday again. Babe.
No. We need the money today. And before I'm
you know something? Saturday is just around the corner. Don't worry. Saturday, we'll show you. Don't talk to her like that. You Akonzi.
Boy, I said Saturday.
See, Saturday, if I come, if you disappoint me, boy.
No, boy, I said Saturday.
No problem, the rest will.
So you can actually become like this.
You
call me darling. What do you want? Yeah, please and the words. As sweet as honeycomb, sweet to the soul and health to the bones. But fools despite wisdom and instructions. Yeah. So where do I start? Nipada seni biabe tu yase. Bo braye na dachi na me anim woni me wose. Send your man penny bi wu ye magana see ni trase. Yese bia wo ho fa channel. Ma wo sia se. Nye watwe ne wo kasa nya wo pentine na ba.
Oh yeah, I was talking to
you.
them.
Anampo wunyansa ti wa fa wiase abo bo a eye den ya wo be pa ho de bia me the last drop ni sikani na sam ye mfa ton. O ba do ti ne ba ye. Ya na be da ko. Do ti mo na wo free ba ye. Do ti mo na be.
Pick it up.
He's not
picking me up. I just called the number and he's not picking up. So what is keeping him from reaching here? I don't know. This is very important. And we three must be here to discuss this. Call him again. You have to call him. Hello? Yeah, Fred Boy. Where are you? No. Please don't tell me you are not coming. Do not tell me you are not coming. Something just popped out and the three of us need to discuss about it. It's very important. Please, I beg of you. Do not tell me that you are not coming. Yes, I know. But we need to talk about this first. Yes, we are there. Alright, thank you. We are waiting for you. He said he's coming. Yes, very good. I don't know what is wrong with this guy. I don't know. It's all your fault. Hey. I keep telling you, it's all your fault, son. Stop blaming me. Who should I blame? Yes, you are yes. We are men. Huh? We are boys. We are guys. We have to forget certain things. Then you need to advise yourself.
Just one day, everything's gonna end. Everything's gonna end. Just one day, everything's gonna end. Everything's gonna end. Just one day, everything's gonna end. Everything's gonna end.
Oh yeah, okay, I see in the house. There is nothing. So this is your face again, right? Whom do you think you fucked up the last time at the restaurant? And who else also poked her nose into my affairs at the restaurant when she wasn't even called? You are sounding like a barbarian living in a jungle. Stupid nonentity. Oh, I don't understand why irresponsible guys work with irresponsible ladies like you. Hey, I swear, the next time you step on my stairs, what will you do? Wash you like an ant. Do it now. Do it now. Hey, don't push me. Just take a good look at me. A tiger woman like me. A tiger, my foot. Hey, a tiger, my foot. As I said, the next time you step on this stairs, then what will you do? I will crush you like I'm. Do it now. I was quiet the last time because he was there. But now you can't try shit with me. You feel me? You feel me? Look at this small girl. Oh. You're very fair. You're calling me small girl because I don't have body. Don't try me. Don't try me.
Oh, ladies, stop fighting.
Just this one. No. You should do this.
Oh, it's okay. Stop fighting.
Fool, you? Ew. It's just a this one. Okay.
I'm here now.
Fresh boy, it's good you are here. But before I proceed on the main agenda, I want to apologize to you guys, okay, for freezing the money. In fact, I was doing that to bring you guys back. You know, we are family, and whatever happened between us, we should just let it go, okay? So I'm very, very sorry. Please forgive me.
Okay, but me, the money, I'm not interested. You need it, so take it. Why did you call me here? Tell me, I want to go somewhere.
Fresh boy, you need to take your time, okay? You have to sort things out.
Take my time.
Yes, You should not jump into conclusion like that. Huh? Fresh, tell him something. I have a serious matter to tell you. Mahubala sent his agent Zuma to me early this morning. And all that he is requesting for is a sacrifice. Yes, sacrifice. We have to make a sacrifice. That is what he told me. What sacrifice are you talking about? Same question I asked him.
Yeah. So is that the reason why you call me here? That we are going to share the money? Because of the sacrifice, Me, I said I'm not interested. Leave me out of this.
Fresh, I didn't call you here just because of the money, but to discuss with you the issue at hand. It's not time for playing sake.
High Spirit, listen to me. But when we went to Mahubala, he never said anything like that.
Ask him again.
Yes, the same thing I asked Zuma, that when we came there, they never mentioned any sacrifice to us. But why now? But he said it is time to make sacrifice to the great Mahubala. And do you know what? We are requesting for human sacrifice.
What? Human sacrifice?
Oh yeah, human sacrifice.
Leave me out of this. Ever since I was born, even a fowl, I have not killed some before. Not more than a human being. I'm out. Leave me out of this, guys.
Hey,
I'm out.
Do I look like a killer? We are all in this.
High Spirit, there is something I still don't understand.
What's that?
Mahubala never said such a thing.
And now he's requesting for
Requesting for what?
Yes. You can't blame me for that.
How?
That is the new order from the camp of Mahubala. Yes, you have to make human sacrifice, or else we all can die. Because we are all in this together. We cook this shit together, and we must eat this shit together.
We are not eating any shit together. I'm out of this. I'm waiting for the consequence. Anything that will happen should happen. I'm not interested, Ubab. I'm out of this. Leave me out of this, guys.
Fresh. Fresh. The Don. You better advise that fucking son of a pastor. Warn him before it's too late.
Vanessa, why did you have to fight for me? Besides, I have my own ways I'm dealing with these issues. And what makes you fight this useless girl?
She's so stupid and irresponsible. And who said I even started that fight? Oh, she did?
But you should have not mind her. Hello, stop this. It's getting out of hands. Huh?
Is that what you are telling me? Really? Is that what you are telling me right now?
Vanessa, listen to me. When something happens like this, you're supposed to calm down so we can solve this issue together. You are higher than that girl.
It is always about your friends. You, what about me? I am in a relationship with you. What about me?
And I'm the man in this relationship.
Okay, so it is not about me. You care about yourself alone.
I don't care about me myself. I care about both of us.
You know what? Enough of this. Enough of this. Go and deal with them. Just count me out of this whole thing. Count me out. What human being are you? My boyfriend? Excuse me, I can't even deal with you.
Vanessa,
oh, please.
Vanessa.
Oh, please.
Listen, Vanessa, listen. But I'm not saying what you did is not right. Vanessa, I have my own way to solve this issue.
Yeah.
Vanessa.
Nation. Pressure, pimp talk was from my best friend. School girl CP, need to buy open now for same day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys be near way over class hour, the best no team seen to the bank. Morning break, and Satania about you 240. Peer pressure, if you rose one can't see me never found, yeah, and I'm in my wood. It became Mujaku for the council, 27 flags, yeah, I know the other. She got my phone, you date or no, you come out, what you're saying, yeah, my papa. Be any fear, free to a be I do too. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay. Be any fear, free to a be I do too. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay. And that's a before, peer pressure before. Peer pressure before. Peer pressure before. Peer pressure before. Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, 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 peer, pressure, peer, pressure, peer, pressure, pressure, pressure.
Douglas. Douglas. Douglas.
Ah! Hey, ma.
I know you're my show, sir. Huh?
Hey, not sure.
Let's send you to movie. I almost tied the answer with favor. Other than how?
I'm here for first in the big school and the results, but I'm not first. At first, I'll go school. You know how again I'm here.
Oh, yeah, sure.
I'm sure.
Douglas, never uncle you. This time I want you to be as a son. You may be a way be a me also.
Oh, ma. School now, how do you drink one? For results, but make track come up. I'm go school.
Yeah, no crap.
Oh, my, no crown out, make a chon. No crown out, make a chon.
Okay, well, then, don't go inside and go in. Why?
The piano feel free to me, be a good tutu. For some, no go take you anywhere to stay. Piano feel free to me, be a good tutu. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay. And that's a befoul, be a pressure befoul. 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 Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, 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 peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure,
Akwanzi, you better warn that stupid girl of yours to stay away from my girlfriend. Else, I will deal with her.
Ah, man. I didn't hear some number. I sent them Kwana. And no yen to me free a man immune. And Tenassan yen Cassancheromo. No, to me, Jano dig Rebecca Cham, Mr. Megay, stupid man. I don't really see me in your fan of Fachana.
Eh, you call this friendship and you dupe me. And now put sense into your senseless girl in mind that the next time she mess up, I will deal with her myself. Bro, you don't be my friend anymore. Also, make you do a man inside say, Saturday, they can't take my money. I know the joke.
American. Never and ever. And so be from again, no say why stupid.
Then if I pay my money, or bring my phone back.
Never and ever. So be from again, no say why then why stupid.
The joke. Bro, see, make I tell you something. You will be bad man, or you be bad friend, and me then you not get any friendship again. I can't take my money Saturday. But if you refuse to pay my money, bro, I swear, I will show you my secret character you ever see. These are the joke. A real brother.
No. Don't listen. Listen, you have to understand me. Things are getting too serious. Now I can't stay home. Oh, so you think you are the only one that he is tormenting? Tell him we have to present our side of the sacrifice. If Red Boy is not willing, we have to do our part. We can sacrifice our girlfriends. Yeah, let's do our part. Charlie, me, I don't want to die, yo. Charlie, me, I don't want to die, yo. I don't want to die. So, yeah, I did Antikoko area, where the plantation farm day. Yeah. I did they make you come out, Ah. Okay. Iyke, is that you? Where have you been? High Spirit. Remember I told you way back in school that you should meet again? Yeah, I remember. Iyke, there is a problem. He never told us that there will be a sacrifice. And now Mahubala is chasing us, tormenting us to make a sacrifice. Iyke, we need your help. Do something for us. High Spirit. You guys have just 7 days to make your sacrifice. The great Mahubala still awaits you. Michael, it's not a big deal now, but the problem is fresh boy. He's making things complicated. He doesn't want to do the sacrifice. So please, if the two of us can, the Don and I, if we can do our part of the sacrifice, then ignore fresh boy. Whatever happens to him is his own cup of tea. You remember clearly that I told you that this task is between you 3 guys, not 2. You guys must have one common idea before you can take this journey. Yes, you are right. But he is making things difficult. And we can't afford to die together. If he doesn't want to do it, his own cup of tea, Michael. Huh? High Spirit. My words are my words. Nah, Michael, you took us to Mahubala and you are supposed to. Michael!
Obiani fia free to ye be agri tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay. Obiani fia free to ye be agri tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay. And yes, a befoul, peer pressure befoul. 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 Peer pressure. Peer pressure, peer pressure, pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure.
Douglas Intio. You see, I could be at it here to me so. Me who they may.
Ladi, as I cried, that I could see him the outing. I'm saying, Rakradi, no more kitchen yardy. It is a what see what I say. One of them make a run a demo. The quay not in impasse. I'm saying, that was there some. Mammy Sunday. I'm so Sunday, bay. Saying, I'm Sunday. Says, and you make custom and testy. And then make Akosua Fakye as it's no as obey no be na make Akosua no na ntiase amama ye basa no de me
ani sebi akwai ya wonu to nyame fi na ya titi ni nyame suru mu ani eni make Akosua ntiase o me si me da mani na de Akosua nyina no so nim se me de nyankopon achie mani Madumacha de no mehu mesinya me bie mani na ade me hu ye hane mesi ade tintin bi enu wa gwagu me ben so na Douglas etiatem Jesus jemi enya asem keto awu
ana se fi
wana me bo piti na Jesus na me starting Bible and no ma Akosua and no ma maybe when he says school I'm a banakoya no and so what the no for and you maybe and until abia no hunting no
I did you me so go me be dey asem na ya ba me fi e dey asem ni ese me mu dey menye me kokra ba dey
yeah unya wodo na wo se wiase akono de hye wani na wo se wiase mobo odo papa wuni bia ko nsofo na wo be ya ko homa ba wie ma ku be ni atwemo wasi abotre de akoma atwembre paw mahene ma trese bibia wa ne chaw se menya de ka wa sha wo sa be kasa tenase nom sane de di go me kaw.
Let me tell you one thing. In this world, we are all born to make mistakes. So when someone makes a mistake, you need to forgive him or her.
What are you talking about?
Sheila, all that I'm trying to say here is that High Spirit has regretted everything he did to you. Please forgive him and accept him back.
How many times do you want me to forgive him? How can he cheat over me with my best friend and you expect me to forgive him just like that?
Sheila, listen to me. You need not to visit the past. Let bygones be bygones. See, he asked me to give you this good money.
Please, 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 I don't want anything from him.
Please.
I don't want anything from him.
You listen, if you don't want to receive his money, I am giving it to you, okay?
And why would you give me money?
I have to give you money because we started this friendship way back in school. I don't want anything to come between us, okay?
So, is it a form of a bribe or what?
How can I bribe you? You've been spending good time together. You've been spending, we've chilled together in so many times, in so many ways. So if I give you something, it doesn't mean that I'm bribing you, okay?
How much is that?
It's a huge sum of money,
Are you giving all of them to me or yeah?
Nah, let me keep some, okay? Anytime you need money, don't worry. You call me, but hey.
Give me 10.
But on the condition, please accept high spirit back into your arms.
No,
take your time.
No problem. Someone's gonna cry.
You said 10? Let me add 5 to it. Buy yourself anything you want.
You are not going to decide for me what I should use the money for. This is for forgiveness. Okay, so is that all?
Yep. Call me in the evening, okay?
If you could give me one chance, I'ma change everything about you. If you could do this favor, I'ma make your world look so blue. I'm a new guy. I'm a new guy. I'm a change, but I never wanna go back. Wanna be the one for you, you know that. Girl, I miss everything about you. Miss the way we used to play in the bathroom. Oh, now that you're gone, there ain't no one here to call my own. To urge you, my forgive is fine. If you could give me one chance, I'ma change everything about you. If you could do this favor, I'ma make your world look so blue. I'm a new guy. I'm a new guy.
All I want to tell you now is thank you for forgiving me, and I really say I appreciate it for always accepting my apology. I shall be saying photo.
Hi, Spirit.
Yes, dear.
I didn't see the need why we should come and sit here and talk about something that have already been said already. Don Juan has already spoken to me about it, and I said I'm okay. I've forgiven you. I don't see the need why we should talk about this all the time.
Maybe you're right, but when people say kapu, so the kapu is taken from the monkey's mouth. So I am the monkey. Many are brain home for 90. Also, tear the mini cocoon, different. What I say.
Okay.
Watch me.
Alright.
Since you are trouble, some the white and phone said the minute. I'm like the prodigal son. I hope you understand. We're back in the Bible. Come on, your Bible, Nami. Then heaven, that guy, who feel outside back. Because I never had you.
So I should take you back.
That's what you have to do.
Okay.
And you know I really love you.
Yeah.
Because of that. Can you be chilling?
I don't have anything to say.
Hey, come on.
I don't have anything to say.
Hey, say something.
I'm already tired. Can you go? Can you go?
send it over there.
I'll think about it.
Hey. I've already thought. I've been on one that. That's all I feel. I'm what? Something. Hold my eyes. Sun is up. Shemani, just look into my eyes. I mean my eyeball. Hey. I love you.
I won't lie.
Just tell me you love me too.
I know.
No. What's that? I love you.
Next on peer pressure.
Stop it! Go! Guys, Daddy. That is dead.
Doggy. What is going on, Douglas? Oh!
Doctor,
how many times have I warned you not to enter this compound today? Daddy, you came here to look for your son, Douglas. And this time around, if you don't see Douglas, we are not leaving. Good.
Honey, almost had the bill.
Yes.
I don't know better.
Mommy, we have an unfinished business with your son, Douglas, and we need him right now.
You step into my conversation.
What will you do?
Hey,
what will you do?
Woman,
go back, my friend. Go back. Don't try me. Go back.
Hate me.
I need to protect her. Go back.
Beat me. Beat me, sir.
K in the building. It's first to the K-E-L-V.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision Nation. Say, Mobian Dada, morning, Bradian, no one paid your crab one pair. Mobian more pressure, Pim Cock was strong, my best string. Schoolgirl CP, need to buy open now for same day, I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P, no boy, or back class hour, depends no one team seen to the bank. Morning break, and Satania back with 240. Peer pressure, if you rose one can't see me never found, yeah, and I'm in my wood. It became Mujagu for the council, trying to 7 flags, yeah, no one nearby. Sugar mama phone, you date or no, didn't come out, what you're saying, yeah, my pap.
Be any fear, free to ye, be actually true. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay. Be any fear, free to ye, be actually true. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay. And that's a befoul, peer pressure befoul.